This is our 2001 Oyster 62, a magnificent sailboat with a SHOAL draft keel that is cutter-rigged and designed for short-handed sailing. Breathtakingly beautiful and in near immaculate condition, she is one of the finest examples of the successful Oyster 62 model, with a number of unique features that aren't available in any other yachts of this size and price point. She had an extensive refit in 2015 as well as recent updates by her current owner. Check out the listing for the full details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 2001 Oyster 62. She is turnkey, ready for her next adventure, and just waiting for you to climb aboard. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.